Over 300 state-owned buildings are in the Eastern Cape, with most of them in the Mthatha CBD. However, they are not being used for their intended purpose, with most of them dilapidated and hijacked. Operation Bring Back was set up to reclaim the buildings, with over 56 eviction notices issued.
Our property portfolio from an asset-based perspective is about 1.2 billion from a provincial point of view. A significant portion of that is actually here in Mthatha. And so I can confirm that we are indeed, as ECDC, heavily affected. We have not escaped the scourge of those that are hijacking state-owned buildings. And it's a challenge that we have faced, and hence we launched Operation Bring Back. And in that regard, we've had significant proper support from the South African Police Services. They've worked with us hand in hand just to make sure that we're able to follow through. Whenever we put in cases, they are able to follow through and investigate.
Parliament has since intervened, and the Economic Development Department in the province, together with the South African Police Service, are reclaiming hijacked buildings.
We have recently reported to the Portfolio Committee. 2 weeks ago, we were here with the Portfolio Committee on Economic Development, Environmental Affairs and Tourism, and we took them through actually to Vulindlela, in particular, where we have this significant challenge of industrial property that is occupied by those that are illegal. And we are trusting actually that with this new energy from the South African Police Services, that we are going to make significant progress to be able to recover more buildings.
Illegal occupants in some of the buildings refused to speak to Newzroom Afrika, worrying over their safety. They say an alleged criminal syndicate is behind the ownership of the hijacked buildings. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Liyema Vumisa in Mthatha, Eastern Cape.